What's up, diggity dogs? Yeah, awkward. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my eyebrows. Now, half of y'all may not even fucking care.
Like, we don't fucking give a shit how you do your eyebrows.
Yeah, me either, but I have no other ideas, so here we go. So what I'll be using for this video, some tweezers, you know, whatever you have, eyebrow scissors. You need some type of like eyebrow brush, some kind of spoolie. I use this dual brush. I also use this NYX eyebrow shaper. I don't know. It's just like a wax for your eyebrows. This is how we're gonna start. This will be probably zoomed in, so excuse my pores. So I'm just gonna start by plucking all this outside area right here, like the very obvious parts, you know, like the ones that are like,
fuck yeah, I don't need that shit there.
Pluck those shit out. So now that you've taken all the unnecessary, like the very obvious fucking hairs that don't belong there, I grab my spoolie brush and I try to brush it as up as possible. This is where the eyebrow shaper comes in. Let me sharpen it, hold on. So I'm just gonna point my head up. Now that you look like a crazy fucking person, you're gonna grab scissors and just shape it off. Now that my eyebrow is nice and plucked and it's not too overgrown, it's like good enough for me, I'm gonna start filling it in. This is where the real magic begins. I'm gonna grab my spoolie again and just completely brush everything up. And I'm gonna grab the wax and like I'm gonna go overboard with it and then just literally just glue my eyebrows to my fucking skin. That's all I'm doing. So now that I look completely fucking crazy, I'm gonna grab my spoolie and just using the very end, like the very tip, I'm going to start shaping my eyebrow the way I want it. You could also trim it with the scissors, but I don't want to get rid of the hair. I just want it combed. I'm just using the very tip. Let me get a little bit closer. Do you guys see this? Now I'm going to be using for my filler or my color makeup eyebrow. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm gonna use my Jaclyn Hill palette and then just use this brown color right here down in the bottom. And the reason I'm using this is I haven't found an eyebrow gel that I like. So I'm using that color and I'm just going to apply it and just shape the eye pretty much. I started off by filling up like all those bald spots I have in my eyebrow, and I'm just gonna start by filling those in, I guess. Now when I get to this like front side, I like to kind of just leave this bald just so you can really see the hairs. So I'm just gonna create like a line right at the bottom, but I'm not going to drag it up or like fill in the bald spots. If it looks a little jaggedy like mine does, like in the front, don't worry, we're gonna go in with concealer and just clean up the fucking mess we made. Probably tell because I'm more likely gonna speed it up, but just filling it in took me like almost 15 minutes. It's gonna take a while, but you know what, that's just me because sometimes I get really anal about my fucking eyebrows. So now it's time for the cleanup. Everybody clean. Alright, just use any flat brush and any fucking concealer you have. I'm just using this. It's like completely run out. And not because I used it a lot, it's because half of it fell on my fucking makeup bag. That's why all my shit is fucking dirty. Because of this motherfucker. I'm just gonna clean it up. all I do. I'm gonna finish the other eye off camera, so I'll be right back. What's up? I'm back. Eyebrows are dead. They don't look that bad. I like this one better personally, you know? It's my favorite. You're my favorite sister. This one's... And that's it for today. I'm sorry if it was kind of boring or uninteresting or whatever, but that's all I have. I was gonna do my makeup, like my whole face, but I was like, nah, I don't feel like wearing makeup today. So I'm just gonna keep my eyebrows like this. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh wait, don't forget to subscribe or like or comment or all. Clean up, everybody. 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 Clean up, everybody.